If you have ever wanted to make white soap and you don't know how to bleach your palm oil to be this color, then this video is for you, and I would like you to watch it to the end. Beautiful morning, beautiful afternoon, evening, depending on where you're watching this video from. The person you're hearing her voice is Jofia DIY, and I'm happy to have you in this training. Okay, this is how to bleach your palm oil to snow white or to this color in 2 minutes. Okay, what do you have to do? You get your palm oil. Please make sure you're buying palm oil that is not color mixed. Palm oil that is palm oil, not the one that have been mixed with color, so that you won't end up achieving a pink color. Okay, I'm going to post another video where I bought series of oils and they turned out pink. So you get your palm oil, get any measuring cup or container of your choice. Make sure you are using a calibrated cup, a calibrated container. Then you pour your palm oil into it to measure, and please make sure your palm oil is light, not thick. This one is not that thick, but I will have to warm it. So if your palm oil is like this, that is not light, please heat it up or put it under the sun, or you boil hot water and put it in, or you just double boil it so that it will be light. Okay, so I'm going to double boil this one to make it lighter. All right, now after double boiling, it is now lighter, but it is more than 500 ml, so I have to remove a little quantity from it, because what I want to work with is 500 ml. Okay, if you want to bleach as more than 500 ml, you are good to go. Okay, but what I'm teaching here is with 500 ml, and the measurement I'm going to use is for 500 ml. So if you want to multiply, you multiply everything I'm going to use in this video. Okay, so I'm keen to know the level of the palm oil, and I discovered it is more than 500 ml, so I have to remove small quantity in order to get my 500 ml. Please contact the number on the screen right now if you want mentorship, if you want training, if you want physical training, online training, if there is any skincare product, any product you want me to make for free for you. I will tell you if I can make it for free. Can't make it for free. If I have a training running on that product, I will tell you. What I'm going to add is my sulfonic acid, not sulfuric. Sulfonic, sulphonic, sulphonic, sulfonic acid, not sulfuric. Then I added it and I'll stir it. Since I'm going to draw the measurements towards the end of this video. Okay, so I'll add the sulfonic acid. I will mix it. Make sure that it mixes very well. When it mixes very well, you add the next ingredient. Okay, the next reagent. When you add your sulfonic acid, mix it very well. Then you add your hydrogen peroxide. So I'll add my hydrogen peroxide and I will mix it. Remember, we want to achieve a creamy color palm oil or a snow white palm oil. Okay, so if after using this quantity I drop here and you did not get the color you desired, just comment in the comment section of this video and I will tell you what to do to correct it next time. Okay, but the quantity I've used here is what I want to use to give me what I want. Okay, so after mixing it, I kept it and proceeded with other things. Remember, this morning, before this palm oil bleaching, we caught the bar soap we made live the previous day. Okay, so this is after 30 seconds of bleaching it. I'm going to leave it again and keep it aside to continue what I'm doing. So next part I'm going to show is during my closing time, and I brought it to show. That was after like minutes. Okay, so this is it. It's very simple to bleach your palm oil, to turn your palm oil into this. Please make sure you are getting a good palm oil. Please, if you don't know how to get your good palm oil, comment and I will tell you how to identify good palm oil. I'm going to drop another video on this palm oil. So this is how it is. Within 2 minutes, this palm oil turns from orange to this color. If you like this video or videos like this, please drop a comment for me in the comment section. You can type thank you, you can type well done, or any encouraging word for me in the comments. And please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, when you do subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can encourage me by sharing my video to reach more people. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial, and please be safe wherever you are, and bye for now.